Watching the 996 in operation is awe-inspiring. As it works in tandem with massive haul trucks, the machine's hydraulic arms lift the enormous bucket effortlessly, filling the trucks with coal in just a few passes. Its efficiency in such environments highlights why it's a cornerstone in the mining industry, making it an invaluable asset in large-scale coal mining operations worldwide. In short, the Shovel 996 stands as a symbol of unmatched engineering and productivity, revolutionizing the way coal and other materials are extracted on a massive scale. The Cat 9 94K loaded dump truck is an impressive sight. Its massive bucket effortlessly scoops material and lifts it high into the air, maneuvering with precision to deposit the load accurately into the waiting truck. The power and speed of this machine ensure that large-scale mining operations stay on schedule, maximizing output with minimal downtime. Let's take a closer look at one of the largest excavators in the world, the Hitachi EX 8000. This massive machine is a powerhouse in the construction and mining industries, renowned for its exceptional capabilities. The Hitachi EX 8000 boasts an impressive digging capacity, capable of moving up to 800 tons of material per hour, depending on the specific application and configuration. This makes it ideal for large-scale mining projects where high productivity is essential. Hitachi EX 8000 is a formidable player in the heavy machinery landscape, combining power, efficiency, and advanced technology to meet the demanding needs of mining and construction projects. The Hitachi ZX 690 LCH-6 is a robust and highly efficient excavator, particularly renowned for its performance in loading trucks in various heavy-duty applications, including mining and quarrying. When loading trucks, the Hitachi ZX 690 LCH-6 efficiently scoops up material, raises the bucket, and deposits it into the waiting truck. Its ability to fill a standard haul truck in just a few passes significantly improves operational efficiency, making it a vital asset in any heavy-duty operation. When the Caterpillar CAT 6020B hydraulic mining shovel loads the 777G off-highway truck, it's a striking demonstration of industrial power and precision. The 6020B, with its massive 12 cubic meter bucket, quickly fills the 777G's 100-ton payload in just a few swift passes. This pairing epitomizes efficiency in large-scale mining, with the shovel's raw power and the truck's durability working in seamless harmony. It's a perfect snapshot of modern mining, where every pass and every load counts toward maximizing productivity. As the PC 2000 front shovel begins loading the HD 785 with topsoil, its large bucket quickly digs into the material and effortlessly deposits it into the truck's bed. Typically, it takes about 3 to 4 passes to fill the HD 785 to capacity. The efficiency of this process helps keep mining operations moving swiftly, especially in tasks like stripping topsoil to expose coal seams. This combination of the Komatsu PC 2000 and HD 785 illustrates how well-matched equipment can boost productivity in mining. The Liebherr R9200 excavator is a powerhouse in mining operations, particularly when it comes to loading dump trucks. In the fast-paced environment of mining, companies require robust machinery to efficiently handle excavation and stockpiling, and the R9200 excels in both. Equipped with a substantial bucket capacity, the R9200 can quickly scoop large volumes of material, whether it's ore, coal, or overburden. This capability allows operators to fill dump trucks in just a few passes, significantly speeding up the loading process. When loading trucks, the Liebherr R9350 quickly scoops up material, raises its bucket, and accurately deposits the load into the truck bed. Typically, it takes only 3 to 4 passes to fill a standard haul truck, maximizing efficiency and reducing overall loading time. The Liebherr R9350 is a powerful and efficient excavator that excels in loading trucks within mining operations. Its combination of capacity, speed, and advanced technology makes it a valuable asset for enhancing productivity and operational efficiency on site.